So today I quickly want to talk to you all about my Vitamix E310. As you can see, I use this thing a lot, probably every day, making all kinds of stuff, whether it's smoothies, salsas, dips, you name it. It's kind of just been one of my go-to small kitchen utensils for quite some time. Very, very simple to use, which is one of the best things about it, and it's ultra powerful. You have variable speed control right here, giving you up to 10 speeds. I usually kind of keep it on the highest speed. I feel like the lowest speeds aren't, I don't know, never really do it for me. If I want to have more control, like I would get with a lower speed, I'll usually use this pulse control right here, which is great for, making chunkier things like salsas and such. Very, very powerful. It does have sort of like a nice like self-cleaning feature in a way where you can kind of just put soap and water in here, let it spin for like 30 seconds, and it will like pretty much clean itself after you're done using it. And it does have this small hole in the top right here, which you can use to sort of this stick attachment to kind of just crush down fruits and veggies or whatever you're putting in there. Overall, great blender. The only thing that I would say is it does have a relatively short cord, which is kind of annoying. You have to be right next to an outlet to use it. But other than that, great piece of equipment, and would highly recommend it to anyone that is blending a lot.